Hi guys, I'm WaterC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of picking open a Peugeot 306 car door lock. I got this from work. I'm going to be using a Gosso pick. See that there? And the Gosso car tension tool. I've never sort of picked any car locks before, so I thought I'd give this one a go. No key with it. As you can see, it's actually locked up. Found with this, it's literally like raking and zipping across very quick and adjusting the tension slightly till you feel that click and it spins over. Now and again you can sort of rake through, and then sometimes you have to jiggle. It's sort of hit and miss. Let's see how we get on. I'll have to apologise again, because obviously with raking and zipping through this, the vise is going to wobble quite a bit. Let's see how we get on. Make sure you can hopefully see what I'm doing. Spin it round a tad. Just got it by literally putting the pick in then. So as you can see, that's a Peugeot 306 car door lock picked open. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.